Hello lovelies, welcome back. So I'll be unboxing this and I can't wait to show you guys what's in the box, so stick around if you want to see what's in there. I'm so excited. Yes. Very hard box to get into, might I add. Ta-da! All the paperwork that comes with it. And this is the beautiful box. It's like suede. Okay. Nicely packaged. Are you ready? Are you ready? Take these away, and voila! There she is. How beautiful is that? Perfect for spring, summer. Very well structured. Beautiful color, beautiful light blue color, croc, like a croc material. Then you've got the Jaquemus right there. Let me bring it into you guys. Can you see that? Okay, and of course it comes with a strap, so you can wear it as a crossbody, a shoulder bag, or you can wear it as like that, or a wristlet. It says multiple wear. And of course you've got the Jaquemus paper thing right there. It's called the Chiquito long, and I'll give you guys some details on this bag, but I just wanted to show you the unboxing so you can see how beautiful this bag is. Gorgeous, isn't it? Alrighty, so let me tell you a little bit about this beautiful piece I have right here. So it's 100% calf skin leather. It has a reinforced handle there at the top. It also has a magnetic flap closure. So when I open it, you can see that it just, and you let the top down, it just closes without you having to force it down. It also has a removable strap, adjustable and removable strap, which is right inside the bag right there. It also has an interior pocket, which is very small, so you cannot fit much in there, maybe a card or two or something like that. It has gold metal logo and hardware, which you can see at the front right there, which, you know, gives the bag that very lovely classy look. It's fully lined and it has painted edges. The size is 22 times 10.5 centimeters. So that is what the bag looks like, guys. It's beautiful. It's very lightweight, and of course you can't fit a lot of things in there, but it's okay. You just need your necessities for the day or for the night. And it also comes with this dust bag. Of course, you can store your bag when it's not in use in this dust bag to keep it nice and clean and, well together. So that's the dust bag that it comes in. So make sure that you always put your bags in the dust bags that they come in. And there you have it, guys. A surprise unboxing of this beautiful bag from Jaquemus. They are an amazing brand and they have some amazing bags as well. So go ahead and check them out if you feel like it. I really love this bag and it's perfect for the upcoming seasons. If you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.